Cat Ninja, Book 4, The Life and Times of the Fury Roach.
Oh man, it's Cat Ninja again. Larry, maybe we should just go peacefully this time. What do you say? Larry, what are you doing with another of them gadgets? We tried that last time. This one's new, Merle. An upgrade to the upgrade. Prepare to meet the Raccoon Brothers. Extreme. This ain't gonna end well. If I fits, I sits.
As Metro City's high-tech crime wave continues, we debate. Is the so-called crime fighter Cat Ninja a menace or merely a meme? Tonight at 11.
I can't believe these news people. Cat Ninja saved the city from a giant robot.
Pundits.
Huh?
Pundits. News people report the news. Pundits shout. These are pundits.
What's next, Metro City? Samurai dogs? The Pet Patrol?
Pundits. 100%. Kids, have you seen my keys? I'm late for work.
With a sharp uptick in crime, people are asking, could this Cat Ninja be the cause?
What are you watching?
Pundits.
I don't know, kids. Maybe it's time to leave Metro City and head out to the burbs.
Move?
I'd hate to leave the city too, but with all these super criminals and that ninja cat character...
We can't move. Next to divorce, moving is like the most stressful thing parents can do to their children.
You make that up?
I read it.
Where?
I watched someone say it.
Where?
I don't know, the internet.
Look, a parent's greatest wish is to keep their kids safe. Your dad and I are united on that. He's even offered to help us find a place out near him. I'll find my keys later. You kids will be here to let me back in. Dinner's in the fridge. I'll be home before bedtime. Love you.
This is a disaster. Claude hates the suburbs. All those dogs.
What if we end up in some big ol' house and Mr. Squeaks gets lost?
Hey, speaking of Claude, I haven't seen him all afternoon. He must be napping in some secret corner.
I haven't seen Mr. Squeaks either, Leon. I wonder where my squeaksy little chubby wubby is.
You've got mail.
Huh?
Not answering my messages? Did you think you could ghost me and get away with it, Master Hamster?
Dr. Von Malice, I wasn't ghosting you. I've just been busy hatching evil plans. There are only so many hours in the day.
Don't lie to me, Squeaks. I'm the one who raised you from a tiny little hamster, remember?
I remember.
Years ago. Disappointing. Below average strength and speed. And yesterday's maze test? Well, let's just say you'd still be in there if Mommy hadn't rescued you. Hardly mutant rodent assassin material, are you? Still, maybe I'll keep you around for a while. You never know when you might need a below-average specimen.
I remember all right. I was nothing more than a guinea guinea pig!
How dare you! It was my brain power ray that turned you from a lowly lab specimen into Master Hamster.
By accident!
A parent's greatest wish is to see their children grow up strong and powerful. But you are still nothing but a disappointment. Look at you. You've grown soft. You sleep across the hall from Cat Ninja himself, and yet you do nothing. All this time you could have been my eyes and ears, but I had to build a robot dog to do the job.
I don't work for you. I am my own criminal genius.
You could be, but I fear you've grown too attached to this family of yours, especially the little girl.
You leave Marcy alone.
Too late. Trust me, Master Hamster. This is for your own good.
Huh? Leon, what happened to the lights?
What the heck? I was like one round away from a perfect game. Whoa!
What's wrong with Adonis? I mean, look at his eyes!
I don't know. Bad dog. Stay. Sit. Oh man, I thought Dad said he trained him.
What's happening?
Don't worry, Marcy. It's gonna be okay.
Ruff, 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 ruff.
Ooh, trash. Delicious trash. Huh?
What the? Yeah. Oof. Cat Ninja, you fool! What do you think you're doing? Bah! I don't have time for this!
Oh, come on, not again. Ruined! All ruined! My delicious trash. So be it. If I cannot eat trash in peace, then no one shall. Tonight, Martin the simple cockroach is no more. In his place, the Fury Roach is born. Beware my righteous anger. Blech.
Meanwhile, on the rooftops above,
Finally free! Now, where's my other rocket fist? Unbelievable! I've seen you chase your tail literally for an hour, and yet you somehow managed to hotwire my rocket fist! Keep the hand! Marcy's in danger! Oh no! She's taken them! Von Malice has Leon and Marcy!
Kids, I'm home! Kids? Marcy? Leon? What's going on? Is that Claude? Claude, what happened here? And why are you wearing pajamas?
To be continued.
Written by Matthew Cody. Illustrated by Yehudi Mercado. Performed by Taylor Meskimen and Tom Rivera.